Sitting on an expansive 654 square metre allotment, this classic two-bedroom brick-veneer home presents the opportunity to renovate, invest or develop, subject to council approval. Spaciously comfortable, the existing open-plan layout comprises lounge and dining rooms with gas heating, while a separate meals and kitchen area with ample storage, wraparound bench and breakfast bar overlooks the rear porch and backyard. A single lock-up garage and large workshop storeroom complete the property, with easy access to Geelong Ring Road and walking distance to shops, schools and transport. This well-presented home offers great value.